Hi everyone, in this video I want to guide you on how to search any product on YouTube video using Google Lens, and this is mainly on YouTube with collaboration with Google Chrome. So if you want to try this, go and do that on Google Chrome. The first you have to do is to be sure that the video is playing on your Google device. Now take a look at this particular wristwatch. I love this wristwatch, so I want to take a screenshot on this wristwatch on the screen, and to do that is very simple. So now right click here, right click on same spot again. It comes out like this. Now from the option that you have here, you have different options here. You have Google Gemini and other. So click on this one, search this with Google Lens. You now come like this and draw a shape like this. Once you draw a shape, then take a look at what is happening at this side. It's going to give you information about the shape you draw here, and you're going to have a lot of options here like AI model. It's going to search through the AI model. It's going to get all here. If you just wait a bit, you're going to see all about that particular picture you've drawn here. Then if you see the exact match, click on it. You're going to give the exact match. If the exact match is out, then visual match is going to have access to this. Now here you can see that, and as well you're going to have more information on that particular process. And that's all, guys, on how to use Google Lens on YouTube on Google Chrome. If you get this tip and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.